All right, how'd that look? You all right?
Yeah, he's just looking because he poked his finger on a Dorito. Or
How'd that look, buddy?
No, not that.
How'd that look, buddy? That doesn't look too bad.
A little murky, but it's all right.
All right, so we start over here for the day. This was the one I laid, and then these were you. Drew, that's not bad. I set that one up too. That one came out nice. Drew, you're getting better. You're getting a lot better. From here, 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 and then here. Drew is getting better. You're getting the hair. This in no time, Drew. Second shift performance.